Understanding Your Credit Score, a beginner's guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down something super important but often confusing, your credit score. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know what a credit score is, how it's calculated, and why it's crucial for your financial health. So let's dive in. Okay, first things first, what is a credit score? Simply put, it's a 3-digit number that reflects how responsible you are when it comes to borrowing money. It's kind of like a grade for your financial behavior. That number can range anywhere from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better your credit. But why does it matter? Well, your credit score helps lenders, like banks or credit card companies, decide if they're going to give you a loan, a credit card, or even rent you an apartment. Now, let's talk about how your credit score is calculated. There are 5 main factors, and here's the breakdown. 1. Payment history, 35%. This is the biggest factor. It looks at whether you've paid your bills on time, including credit cards, loans, and even utility bills. Missed payments hurt your score, so make sure you pay on time. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if you have a credit card limit of $1,000 and you've used $500, your credit utilization is 50%. Keeping this below 30% is ideal. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've been using credit responsibly, the better. If you have a longer credit history, it shows lenders you've had experience managing credit. 4. Types of credit used, 10%. Lenders like to see that you can handle different types of credit, like credit cards, loans, and mortgages. 5. New credit, 10%. Every time you apply for new credit, it can cause a small dip in your score. Too many applications in a short period of time can signal risk, so try to pace yourself. So, why should you care about your credit score? Well, it can impact a lot of things in your life, like loans and mortgages. If you're looking to buy a home or a car, your credit score helps lenders decide if they'll approve you. A higher score means you're more likely to get approved for loans with lower interest rates. Credit cards. If your score is good, you can get access to better credit cards with rewards, lower fees, and higher limits. Renting an apartment. Landlords might run a credit check before renting to you. A lower score could make it harder to rent the place you want. Insurance premiums. Some insurance companies use your credit score to determine your rates, so a higher score could save you money there too. Employment. Believe it or not, some employers check your credit as part of the hiring process, especially for positions that involve handling money. Now that you understand how important your credit score is, let's talk about how to improve it. Here are some quick tips. 1. Pay your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help avoid late fees and missed payments. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Try not to max out your credit cards. Aim to keep your balances below 30% of your limit. 3. Check your credit report regularly. You're entitled to 1 free credit report per year from each of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review it for any errors and dispute them if necessary. 4. Don't close old accounts. The length of your credit history matters, so don't close old accounts unless you absolutely have to. 5. Limit new credit applications. Only apply for new credit when you really need it, and avoid applying for multiple cards at once. All right, that's a wrap on understanding your credit score. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of your financial habits, and it plays a big role in your financial future. By paying bills on time, keeping debt low, and regularly checking your credit, you can build a healthy score over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more personal finance tips. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.